Sino-Aview Technology Company Limited is a global supplier from China, specializing in providing educational equipment and commercial displays, famous for interactive product design and software technology innovation. The factory is located in Dongguan City of China and covers an area of more than 3,500 square meters. The products produced include interactive flat panels, smart whiteboards, touch tables and digital signage. The main touch all-in-one machines are available in sizes of 65, 75, and 86, support customized design, give customers a unique experience. Sino-Aview has been committed to providing extremely convenient services and products to customers in more than 100 countries and regions around the world, including government tenders and other orders. Adopting a 100,000 level dust-free purification workshop, and ISO 4-level dust-free mobile assembly, from the selection of profiles to the assembly of modules, buried wire inspection, framework installation and functional testing etc., everything is strictly implemented conscientiously and responsibly. Complete functional tests and advanced testing technology, while ensuring production capacity. Sino-Aview conducts high and low temperature, drop, vibration, collision, aging and other tests to ensure that all functions are normal, and finally pack them into cartons and wooden box. As for transportation, from material selection to production, packaging and shipping, everything is strictly executed according to the guidelines. We are Sino-Aview, looking forward to becoming your trusted partner.